Yes, so Arsenal 1, Norwich City 0. Arsenal don't finally fit secure 3 points after 4 games for the Premier League, and they don't finally fit score one goal. And we get one very ogbongelistic Gunner fan. We be like say normally, they kiss the Arsenal badge. Oga Louis, how far now? Tell us how you see this Arsenal performance against Norwich City today.
Finally, it don't relieve us some pressure, but we still have a very, very long way to go. This match na bittersweet experience for me because we still dey play individually. We still dey play individual football. Na the same football wey Man United dey play before they buy Fernandes. Now
Hmm.
the team no dey gel. Na the same, you understand? Chelsea dey play individual football before they get that their coach. Now
Hmm.
Chelsea dey play team like the hottest team right now in the world. You understand? So we still dey play individual football. We need somebody wey go fit gel this team. We need
Yes.
somebody wey go fit gel this team. And Arteta obviously cannot do this. He
Okay.
can't.
Make I come in small, Oga Louis. Before Arsenal played this match during that international break, Gaspar Edo will be Arsenal big Oga. In come and in do interview say make people may they give them time, make those players when they buy, may they begin they play. Say the what they want to do go take small time. And Mikel Arteta too still talk the same thing. So with what you see today, most of those players where them buy now don't begin they play. What you see today where they perform against Norwich City. You believe all those things when Oga Edu and Oga Ateta been the talk before?
Edu just dey talk to save his job. If you are a professional, you say the same. You might even say more. You no expect
Okay.
am to come. You no expect am to come tell you otherwise. Edu just
Mm,
dey talk. You know the meaning of long term. Man City
mm,
planned 10 years since 2011. They made a plan. They bought the present and they bought the future.
yes.
You understand? So
Mm,
for 10 years now, they don't win the league like 5 times. So that no be long term plan. Eh?
okay.
That na long term plan now. We've been on this long term plan bullshit for over 15 years now. We dey make superstars. Other people dey tap in from our superstars. They dey buy them, which is so fucking annoying. So now e don dey talk again now say dem dey build superstar. We dey build
Mm.
for the future. The future go reach now, we go sell again. How does that feel? Wetin happen to the present? Can't we still win in the present? Although Arsenal fan win don hold Uko, whether God go call am before then Uko. Sure, you can't just be thinking about the future, the future, the future, the future, and hungry dey beat you now, bro.
Yes.
Eh? Say I no wan chop bad.
You won't win now. You won't win now. So you dey think about the future.
Man City has done it. 10 years span, they don't win half of the 10 years.
Mm,
Correct. They don't win League Cup back to back to back.
don't be
So
lie. Don't be lie.
project now, the project
Okay.
has been the project has been on
All
since
right.
time since they signed. I think Robinho. Robinho be the
Mm,
first Mark you signing that time. Robinho or Ireland.
okay. So, but make I ask you, Oga Louis.
Yeah,
Two people will make their debut for Arsenal today: Aaron Ramsday and Takehiro Tomiyasu will be the right back. What do you see from those two people today?
I rate them highly.
You read them, I.
Yes, I like keeper when we get presence. I dey always dey talk am. You see, that was now wetin distinguish Martinez from Leno. You
Okay.
understand? You understand? It's just that Arteta just dey in between choices. Devon and the Deep Blue Sea. You just need to choose one hurriedly because the two goalkeepers no wan settle for less. So they had to
Mm,
let Martinez go. And taking the risk, we don't know whether Martinez go be one season wonder. It wasn't
mm,
even up season, half season wonder. You understand? So
yes.
na im make am. If not, Martinez e get presence. We considered less. There were hardly games when opponents score us three. still be 3-2 safe. The defense were
Okay.
in line with goalkeeper. The goalkeeper dey control the area. That's now wetin Rams dey get. Leno no get am.
All right.
Depending.
So make I ask you another one again, Oga Louis. What do you see today? Because Ateta say me they give am time. Say they need to put all the players together. Edu still talk the same thing. So far, what do you see today?
It's one
How
year,
your body, how your mind they tell you as Arsenal fan, you believe say Ateta now the right man for the work to build this thing where they say they build for future.
it's 1 year not enough to put your team together the way you want. See, I no get problem sef with the fact say Man City win us 5-0. My major problem with Arteta be say over 1 year now you still don't have an identity. You still never feel like if they ask you now say wetin be Arteta style of play, can you say it?
Okay.
Cannot. Even Wenger time, when we lose we go criticize the fact say we too dey play tiki taka, we no dey shoot the ball, we too
Mm,
dey touch. But Arteta now when we lose, like you don't even know what aspect of our game you need to blame. Everything is wrong, no identity. We need somebody that can bring back our identity. Na wetin dey give us joy as Arsenal, na wetin everybody know us for before. You understand? That's the reason why I dey say sack Edu and Arteta, go to Ajax, bring over Mast and Ajax coach. They go help us a lot. It sounds like a joke, but they will help us. Recruitment wise, we are a
mm,
joke. Recruitment
okay.
wise, we are a joke. We no wan sell Xhaka, we sign Lokonga, abi wetin be im name? How does that signing make sense? And now you wan use Maitland-Niles play midfield.
Mm.
How does that signing even make sense? Eh?
All right now, Oga Louis, make we go the player rating real quick. Now, what you go rate Aaron Ramsdale will be the goalkeeper?
7.
Okay, you go rate Ramsdale 7.
Yes, he himself and the entire defense line 7-ish.
Okay, for the entire defense. All right. Then what about the midfielders? What you go rate Sambi Lakonga and Ainsley?
Lokonga 6, Maitland-Niles. Lokonga sorry 5, Maitland-Niles 6. Then I go give
Okay, what
Odegaard. I'll give Odegaard 7.
Pepe Uncle?
I'll give Pepe 6, so it's not worth more
Okay.
than 6.
All right. Then what about Bukayo Saka?
Um, Saka, I will give him 7.
All
He,
right.
he yeah, he just played. He played averagely, not so well.
Okay. Then what about Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang?
I go give him 8 with the fact saying he scored the goal. If not, he not supposed to get past 7 at most. But he scored the
Okay.
winner, which is
All
a
right.
striker's dream.
What about the substitute them? Thomas Partey, Emmy Smith
Yes,
Rowe. What you go give them? The
Partey
two of them.
few times. Partey and Smith Rowe, the few times when they come in, they deserve to get 6-ish because they played well. They played with their heart. They played really well.
Okay.
Partey and
Then what
Smith
about
Rowe,
Cedric? We know say you know to play, say, but what you go give him?
5, bro.
All right. Then from all the player rating when you don't give now, who can be your man of the match?
Um, my man of the match for me actually, I would say na I'll give her to Aubameyang because nobody was outstanding. You understand? So for the singular fact say na Aubameyang get the goal wey give us our first victory, we go need to
Mm,
give am. Nobody was really say outstanding. Pepe first touch was poor.
mm,
Saka
that'll be
was
nice.
not quite himself. He didn't
Okay.
play badly, but he was not quite himself. So if you look through the team, everybody was just average. Na just say we dey play Norwich for home. If
Mm,
na away, it would have been a different case. If na another
okay.
top team will play like this, they for win us.
Mm,
Believe me. This was
okay.
how we.
So, but with the one where Arsenal don't win today, Arsenal don't get 3 points finally and they don't score. Now, what do you they
Mm.
expect from this Arsenal team for the next set of matches then?
Victory. Burnley has always been tough, but I think if Partey starts, Lacazette and Aubameyang start, then Xhaka starts, remove Pepe, then you are spoiled for. I actually fancy if we play one defensive midfielder, which is Partey, then pair Odegaard and Smith Rowe together.
Smith
I
Rowe.
want to
Okay.
I want to see that for away matches. Match fluidity. Because we go need to it go add us to create chances for tough more Burnley ground. So we go need more creative minds. You
Okay, no be
understand?
lie.
Yeah. So that's what I think.
All right now, Oga Louis, thank you for your time as you can talk about how you see the match. You too
Yeah.
much. We hope say you go use this 1-0 victory where Arsenal win today, take all your side for the weekend.
And what if we use our go bank, go collect money like this?
All right, no be lie, you too much.